Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's tutorial is in the N8n Self-Hosted Community Edition. I have N8n installed on my Hostinger VPS, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up the AI Assistant so you can easily build workflows using an AI chat assistant right inside of N8n. The prerequisites are the requirements in order for you to be able to use the AI Assistant. Your version of N8n must be 2.35.0 or later, and I'll show you how to check your version number in just a second. You must also need an API key from either Claude, OpenAI, or OpenRouter, and you can also use a local large language model if you have Ollama installed on your VPS. To check the version number, sign in to N8n. Go down to the bottom left and click on the gear icon and then choose Usage and Plan. In the left sidebar, you'll see a version number. Go ahead and click that. I am on version 2.35.7. Remember, you must be on 2.35.0 or later. So if you're on version 2.35 or later, you should see AI Assistant in the left sidebar. When you click on that, that's going to take you to the setup wizard. And if you want a really easy way to update your version of N8n on your Hostinger VPS, sign into your VPS dashboard, go into the Docker Manager, find N8n and click on Manage. Click on the YAML editor. That's going to open up the Docker Compose YAML file, and at the top where you see the N8n image, you can just put in the version number that you want to update to. Now if your Docker Compose YAML file is set to latest, then just update N8n. It's going to automatically pull in the latest version. But if you like to pin a version number, which is what I do, to check and see what is the latest version of N8n, sign into your N8n. You're going to click on the gear icon just like we did before. Click on Usage and Plan. Click on the version link in the sidebar. Then you're going to go to Source Code. Click on the link, and that is going to open up the N8n GitHub repo. Then go to the right sidebar, scroll down halfway, you'll see releases, and that is always going to show you the latest version of N8n. You'll see the latest tag right there. If I go back to my Docker Compose YAML file, that's exactly what I have there. So you can just type in that version number, whatever is the latest version number that you want to update to. Then you're going to go to the top and click on Deploy, and that will update your version of N8n to whatever version number you have here in the Docker Compose YAML file. After you update N8n to a version that has the AI Assistant available, the next time that you sign in, you should be greeted by this little welcome screen, AI Assistant, which is going to walk you through the steps for setting it up. The first thing you'll need to do is select a model. So when I click on the little arrow, you're going to choose the provider, which you have the options for Anthropic, for Claude, OpenAI, for ChatGPT, OpenRouter, or a self-hosted option. So if you have Ollama installed on your VPS, you can choose this option. But I'm going to choose the OpenAI, and then you just need to enter in an API key and then choose the model that you want to use. You can get an API key for OpenAI at platform.openai.com. Just click on API keys and create a new key. For Claude, it's going to be at platform.claude.com. And if you're not familiar with OpenRouter, or maybe you've heard about it, but you're just really not sure what it is, well, what makes OpenRouter pretty cool is that you can create one API key, and with that one API key, it gives you access to a ton of different models. So in the N8n AI Assistant, you could select OpenRouter, paste in your one OpenRouter API key, and that is going to allow you to switch between a whole bunch of different models. Select the provider. So for me, that was OpenAI. Paste in the API key, choose the model, and I am choosing the GPT 5.6 Sol. Then you're going to click Save. Now the first step that we just did, setting up the model, that's fast and easy. But when you get to the second step, this is where things get a little more complicated or more involved. This requires an entire setup on your VPS, which I think N8n could have done a better job kind of prepping you for this, because this wizard makes it look like it's just a 1, 2, 3 and you're done. But this step right here requires some extra work. The model is the brain for the AI assistant, and the code Sandbox is where the assistant runs the code that it writes. So I'm going to click on Not Set. There are two options that you can choose from for the Sandbox. There's the N8n Sandbox, which is free and recommended. That's what we're going to set up on our VPS. Or you can choose Daytona, which is a paid hosted option. So I'm going to click on the N8n Sandbox. And in order for the N8n Sandbox to work, you need a service URL and an API key, which we're going to get once we set up the Sandbox on the VPS. And for the instructions, you can click on Install Instructions. That's going to open up the N8n docs. And there you will see set up the host Sandbox manually, which is what we're going to do. What I'm going to do, and I would recommend that you do it as well, you can use Claude Code or Codex. Now I have a little bit of an unfair advantage because I already have a skill for both Claude Code and Codex that installs apps and Docker containers on my VPS. So I'm going to give Codex the URL to the N8n docs for how to set up the Sandbox. I also took a screenshot of this screen right here because you need the service URL and the API key, so I'm just going to tell Codex to make sure that that is included in the setup. And in Codex, I just said, please use my VPS Docker, the internal skill. I do not want the Sandbox to be public facing. I only want it internal or private on my VPS. I said, help me set up the Sandbox on my Hostinger VPS required to set up the N8n AI Assistant. So I'm just giving it enough context so it doesn't ask me any questions. The installation docs can be here. I pasted in the URL and then I'm just pasting in the screenshot so it has everything it needs. And I just said I need the service URL and the API key. So Codex should know everything that I want. I'm going to click send. It might ask me a few questions, but Codex is pretty smart and I have it set to full access, so it should just run. It took Codex 3 minutes. It looked like there were no issues, there were no questions that I had to answer, and Codex is telling me that the N8n Sandbox is deployed and verified on my Hostinger VPS. That was quite easy. There's the service URL that I need to copy and paste into N8n, and for the API key, you can see right here. I can just click this little code box right here, copy the API key without showing the secret, and then I can just paste it in N8n. Nice work. Now I don't really have to go to my VPS because Codex gave me the URL and the API key, but just so you can see what it looks like. Sign into your Hostinger VPS dashboard. Go into your VPS, go into the Docker Manager, Applications, and there you should see there is my N8n Sandbox that Codex just set up. There are 3 containers. Well, I'll go back to Codex. I'm going to first copy the service URL to my clipboard, so Command C. I'm going to go back to N8n. I'm on the wizard here for add a code sandbox. I've got N8n Sandbox selected and I need to paste in the service URL into this field. I'll go back to Codex. Codex conveniently hid the API key so you can't see it. I'm just going to click to copy it. Go back to N8n. I'm going to click in the API field, paste in the API key, click save. Sandbox works. Nice. And the last step is optional. That's web search. If you want your N8n AI Assistant to be able to go out to the internet and do web searches for you, well, there's one more step if you want to set that up. So you can click on Not Set. SearXNG. This is just like what we did with the Sandbox. You'll go back to Codex and have it set up to SearXNG. Now, I would recommend taking the time and setting up SearXNG. It is free since you're self-hosting it, but if you just want a quick and easy version, you can use an API key from Brave Search. You are going to get some free usage, but once you go over the free tier, you are going to start paying for the Brave Search. I'm going to do the exact same thing. Back in Codex, I'm just saying use my VPS Docker skill. Help me enable the web search on my Hostinger VPS, which is the third and final step to set up the AI Assistant. So just click send. This should be quite easy for Codex. It took Codex 2 minutes and 38 seconds. SearXNG web search is deployed and enabled for N8n. It's giving me the service URL, and it also tells me that N8n was restarted, so it might look a little different when I go back to N8n. When I returned to N8n because it had restarted, my AI assistant was waiting for me. And this AI assistant is basically like any other chat assistant, like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. It's just a chat box. But this chat box is going to allow you to build, edit, and do all the things in N8n by simply typing in text prompts. And if you do not see your AI assistant, you can open it up over in the left sidebar. When you click on the plus, you can now choose New AI Chat, and that'll take you to the AI assistant. There's also an icon over here. You'll see AI Assistant will also open that up. And if you want to get back to the settings, you'll come down to the settings, choose AI Assistant. So I'm in the AI Assistant settings. And remember the wizard when we first set up the AI Assistant, there were 3 steps. The first one was to select the model, which you can see here. The second one was to set up the code Sandbox, which is set up. And the third one was to enable the web search. Codex installed SearXNG on my VPS, and it also gave me the service URL, but we didn't really do anything with it. So I want to make sure to add this as a credential so I can use the SearXNG for web searches in my N8n workflows. So I'm just going to select this and copy it to my clipboard, Command-C. Now back in N8n, I'm going to click the plus icon on the top left and choose New Credential. I'll do a search for Sear. There's SearXNG. I'll click Continue, and check this out. You can just ask your new AI assistant to help you set this up, but I'm just going to paste it in the API URL. So Command-V, I'll click Save, and there's a little success menu telling me that the credential has been saved. I'm going to open up the AI assistant. Remember, you can click the plus icon and choose New AI Chat, or you can click on the icon in the sidebar, AI Assistant, and now you have your own chat assistant. You can ask it for help for existing N8n workflows, or you can have it build brand new ones, and you'll see you have some quick starts down below. Score my leads, that's going to show you what it would build. This is going to make N8n very, very easy. Ooh, Telegram support agent. I always find the Telegram setup to be a total pain. Now I can just ask the AI assistant. Very, very cool. Let's see how it does building a real workflow. So I'm just going to paste in a very simple workflow that's saying, I want to see the top 10 most popular AI-related GitHub repositories created in the last 30 days. I'll click Send and just see how it does. But it took about 4 minutes, and this is where it left off. The N8n workflow was built, and now N8n is asking, do you want me to run a live GitHub API test now? So I'm going to say yes, run the live test. The workflow passed end to end. Allow it to execute, always allow. Now it's running. And everything appears to be working. All the outputs are here in a markdown summary. I'm going to see if the AI assistant can actually list all the top 10. Please list the top 10 repos found in the last execution. Sure enough, the AI assistant is listing all of the top 10 AI-related GitHub repos. And that is how you set up the AI assistant on your N8n self-hosted community edition on your Hostinger VPS. Now you can just simply enter in a text prompt to edit and build your N8n workflows. My name is Mike Murphy, your AI handyman. Cheers.